If you want to maintain your privacy while using OneDrive, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open OneDrive. Launch the OneDrive application on your device or access it through your web browser by visiting the OneDrive website. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to sign into your OneDrive account. Ensure you are using the account linked to your OneDrive storage. Step 3. Access settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option. In the application, this is usually found under the gear icon or in the menu. In the web version, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then select Settings. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy or Online Status section. Here, you should find options related to your visibility and online status. Select the option to hide or turn off your online status. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes you made. This may involve clicking a Save button or simply closing the settings window, depending on the platform. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on OneDrive, enhancing your privacy while using the service.